Hey there friends, this is Amy here with Beloved Plans. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a planner plan with me, but November is right around the corner, so I thought it would be fun to set up my November spread together. So go ahead and grab your favorite drink and we will get started. So the month of November has a lot going on for us. I am going on a mission trip the week of the 16th, and actually my 40th birthday is on the 16th. And then of course we have Thanksgiving and the kickoff to the holiday season, and we have lots of family birthdays in our family in the month of November. So originally I was going to do a birthday theme spread, but then this gorgeous fall sticker book arrived literally today. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do the month of November in Thanksgiving theme, and then for the week of my birthday I'm going to do a really fun birthday spread for that. Because I'm going to be traveling that week, so I don't need a lot of functionality. I can just kind of go crazy with that birthday theme. So I'm going to be pulling lots of different stickers. I have yet to even look through this book yet, so there might be a lot of flipping. I'll try to go through that as quickly as I can, but yeah, super excited. So first thing I'm going to do is lay down this Give Thanks sticker. This one has a little notch of the quarter cut out, and so that way you can still see the date. That's what those are for, if you've ever wondered. I'm going to take some of this cute colorful washi from this book, lay it down to note the days that I'm going to be out of town on my mission trip, and then I thought I'd cover up the little notes section there with a season of gratitude. I might use this section over on the left to write some gratitudes throughout the month. I really like the idea of writing, things I'm thankful for this entire month. This sticker book has such pretty color scheme to it. I love all the teal and the greens and the oranges and yellows and how those all go. It has a really nice mix of Halloween, just some general fall things, even some early winter things, and just some beautiful, beautiful stickers, and the gold foiled letters are awesome too. Here's even a Black Friday shopping section. So I'm gonna put that sticker down. I'm gonna do Cyber Monday, just kind of put it down at the bottom there, and then Small Business Saturday. I love that they put that section in there. And I have this big section down at the bottom, so I'm going to do this rose gold thankful foiled sticker. And I'm just kind of flipping through and seeing if there's any other, there's a lot of large stickers in here. I love the colors in this little cluster of foliage, I guess you'd call it. I grabbed my iPad there because I was like, okay, I need to actually see my calendar to see where I need to put certain stickers to make it functional. So I like to use different boxes and whatnot to mark, different events we have going on throughout the month. So I'm just looking to see if any of these might work. I'm going to use this Today sticker for the 8th. It's my sister's birthday that day, and my daughter has volleyball tryouts, so that one will look cute over there. And then I love this little remember sticker, so I'm going to put that on the 12th. I'm sorry, on the 13th. Then I'm going to mark the 14th, and then this Thanks and Giving sticker I thought was really pretty to mark Thanksgiving. There's a lot of little corner cutout stickers that I really like. I wish I would have gotten this sticker book before Halloween so that I could have used some of those in my Halloween spread, but I will just have to wait till next year to use them. I love these leaves. They have some rose gold foiling on some of them. So I'm just gonna kind of put leaves in different spots here to make it feel a little bit more fall-like. And again, the color scheme of these is just gorgeous. I love it so much. So here I have the All in a Season sticker book, and this just has a ton of different stickers from various holidays and things to use throughout the year. So I'm going to grab some boxes from there, and then I'm going to put this little, I didn't like that blueberry, so a little acorn in the corner. So half of the fall stickers are on the left side at the very back of the sticker book, and then the other half are over on the right hand side. And as you can see, there's a ton of different holiday stickers in this sticker book. It's really, really an awesome one, and I'd highly recommend it actually to anybody that's just starting out. I will go ahead and link that one down in the description below too. So this is the Celebrate sticker book, and I thought I would look for a birthday sticker here to mark when my 40th birthday is. And this is perfect. It's gold. It says happy birthday to me. And this other one says it's my birthday month. So I thought those would be a nice little way to mark my birthday during the month. Just gonna flip through this Life is a Party book, but not really seeing anything in there that I feel like I have to use. Again, I'll link the Celebrate sticker book down in the description too. So I'm just gonna kind of flip through these again, see if there's just anything else that would work for Thanksgiving. I think I'm gonna leave those big turkeys off. I'd like something else over on the left-hand side here. Trying to figure out another way to mark my mission trip. Kind of at a standstill with stickers here, so I'm gonna start writing in the boxes and laying my plans out. And I decided to start including this in my videos because I did a poll and people said they like to actually see the after the pen as well. So I thought it would be good to go ahead and do that for my spreads from now on. I am using these rose gold stickers to mark OKC because we're going to Oklahoma City, and those are so pretty. So I'm going to go back to this All in a Season book and grab another box flag. I have my last photography session on November 23rd, so I thought, you know what, that's pretty monumental, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark that in there. I'm gonna add a little encouraging sticker there too. We're going back to distance learning in our district on Friday the 13th, so I wrote that in the remember thing. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna use this brush pen to mark that I'm turning 40. Make it stand out a little bit. I do feel like something's missing kind of up at the top in the middle. So this autumn vibe sticker is really cute and kind of makes it feel a little more balanced out. This blue So Thankful for Everything sticker is perfect to go up top and gives a great little finishing touch. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it if you made it all the way to the end. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future video, and I will see you guys next time.